short guide on how to use index match? Well, you've come to the right place, because I'll tell you how to use index match in a jiffy. Let's get right into the video. I've been asked to add a new column that contains the price of the device that was sold in a sale. I have received a price table that contains the prices for each of the types of devices in a separate sheet. I'll first copy and paste this range of data into the main sheet, where we have the table and everything. Before we start, if you're wondering where this table came from, then make sure to check out this video right here. First of all, I'll add a new column to the right of the device column, which we will call price. We will then turn our price reference into the table using the shortcut Ctrl-T. After we have done that, it's time to use index match. We'll first type in the formula for index. Now, the first value we need is the range of data where we will get values from. So as you might have guessed, that'll be the whole price column from our price table. Next, we need the row number, and this is where match comes in. We'll first type in the formula for match. And then, the first thing we need is to tell match what value it should be searching for under the device column from our reference table. Since we need to return the price of the device bought by the customer, we will select the device the customer has bought. This is called the lookup value. Next, we need the range where we'll search for the lookup value. That range will be the devices from our price table. Now we'll finish things off by typing in 0, closing of the match function, and then closing of the index function as well. Before I hit enter, I'll explain a bit on how this works. The first parameter for the index function is the array or range of data where we'll return or get the values from, and obviously that will be the prices from the price table. The second parameter is the row number. Now what match does is it tells index what row from the range of data should it get its value from. The match function uses the device the customer bought and searches what row can that be found under the devices column from the price table, and then returns that value to index. So index knows what row from this column of data should it get its values from. We're done. We can press enter, and boom. As you can see, the cell finally has the value we need. We'll then quickly apply this to all the other cells beneath it by double-clicking on this fill handle. And boom! Every cell now has its respective value. I'll quickly change the data type to accounting, dollars, and now, the price column is finally finished. What's good when using formulas like these is that it is flexible. If we change the price of the laptop here to, let's say, something around 800, it'll also automatically change for every customer that has bought a laptop. Pretty cool, isn't it? I'll change this back so nothing goes wrong. If you want to learn more about the table used, then check out this video. You can also check out my playlist right here. This was Minimalism Excel, and I hope to see you next time.